And I guess this is kind of the end of the support tips and tricks section before we get into the new product. Are there any other questions, Lauren?
Well, let's see. I don't think I've seen anything else come through yet.
Okay. Okay, so we've got a couple slides here left, and we've picked out, there are literally hundreds of new features and functions that just came out with the 2022 R1. I believe it was released on was it the 16th? Something like that. It was released last week. It was last Wednesday. So it's available now. It has a lot of really interesting new features, and I guess I've picked out some that I feel are kind of important and relevant. I got one slide of just kind of talking points, and then I've got another slide which we're actually going to go over into the application and look around and kind of do some show and tell. CRM, so enhancement to CRM events. And then it also has enhanced merging of duplicates and association of records. So that sounds, anybody who's constantly trying to look at duplicates and sort those out, that seems like a really good thing for the CRM area. Enhanced support for user-defined fields or activities for activities, tasks, and events. That's an area that I think we tend to get to customizations quickly, and especially for a small license going through the automatic updates, or if you want to make your future updates, user-defined fields can be a way to kind of simplify that, and this enhanced support of those things inside activities, tasks, and events would make a lot of sense.